sealed pa.
Hindi, konti lang siya.
Yeah.
What's this? Cannot take it out.
Eh, tak-tak mo.
What's this?
That's her gift.
What you think is that?
What's purple?
Opo.
Okay.
Sabay mo kasi. Sabay
Happy
dapat
birthday,
siya.
ate. Gift ni daddy yan, ah.
Happy birthday to you. Ah. Oh no.
Hello, baby. Ayan lang gift ni daddy.
Look, where's the cellphone? Wala, we've been scammed. Wala, na-scam tayo, bebe. Wala. Wala.
Labi, ayan na lang binigay nila.
Charger lang. Look,
Happy birthday, ate. Yan lang regalo ko sa charger.
charger.
I love you,
What am I
ate.
supposed to do with the charger?
I-charge mo yung cellphone ni daddy. Do you like it, bebe?
I'm sorry, bebe. Na-scam tayo. Wala. Ito lang binigay. Saan mo in-order yan, mami?
Sa Shopee.
Look.
I love you, ate.